Hey, Kelly, do you mind if I just take this little film of you?
No.
I'm just wondering, why are you dressed like that today?
Well, I'm dressed like this today because I am going to my niece's birthday party. She's 2 years old and she loves Peppa Pig.
Oh, great.
So, I dress up as Peppa Pig.
Yeah, that's very good.
I don't have black shoes or wellies yet though.
But I mean, you can't see where you're going.
No.
Why didn't you have 2 holes in the mask?
I didn't quite think that ahead, but I think I might have to put something in there.
Yeah. Okay. What's the name of this animal again?
Peppa Pig.
Peppa Pig. Is that like a cartoon character then?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's a cartoon character. She's got a brother called George.
Okay.
He's little, so if anyone wants to dress up as George.
Where is it?
Where, the party?
Yeah.
It's at my sister's house.
Right, where's that?
Barnes.
Barnes, so how are you going to get there on the bus?
I'm going to go to my mum's house in Shepherd's Bush and then meet her there and then go.
Rightio.
Yeah.
Okay.
So,
have a nice time.
take care.
Bye.
Bye.